Part 2, Writing Equations in Standard Form. Put the equation in standard form and graph the circle. We have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. To put this in standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, I'll need to complete the square for both the x's and the y's. So I'm going to put my x terms together, x squared plus 4x, and leave a blank to complete the square. And then the y terms, y squared minus 6y, and leave a blank. And then I'll put the negative 4. I'll put the 4 on the right side by subtracting 4 from each side. So to complete the square for the x's, half of 4 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. But if I add 4 to one side, I have to add 4 to the other side. And then for the y's, half of 6 is negative 3, and negative 3 is 9. Negative 3 squared is 9, so I'll add 9 to both sides. So for the x's, I have x plus 2 squared, and I have y minus 3 squared equals negative 4 plus 9 is 9. So my equation, x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 9. The center of the circle is negative 2, 3, and the radius is 3, the square root of 9. So to graph this circle, I'll graph the center first, negative 2, 3. And then my radius is 3, so 3 up, 3 right, 3 down, 3 left, and then draw the circle the best you can. Let's put this equation in standard form and then graph. I know this is a circle because it has both an x squared and a y squared, and they have the same coefficient. In this case, it's 3. The one we looked at before, the coefficient was 1, but if the x squared and the y squared have the same coefficient for the conic section, we know it's a circle. I'm going to start by dividing both sides of this equation by 3. So then I'll have x squared plus y squared minus 8y equals 0. And then I can complete the square. The x squared is the only x term, so that's already done. I could write it as x minus 0 squared to help me know where the center is. And then for the y's, I have y squared minus 8y plus half of negative 8 is negative 4, and negative 4 squared is 16. On the other side, I had 0, and I'll add 16 because I added 16 to the left side. I need to add 16 to the right side. So I have x squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 16. So my center is 0, 4, and my radius is the square root of 16, or 4. So I'll graph the center first at 0, 4, and then the radius is 4. So I will go up 4, right 4, down 4, and left 4, and draw the circle. Now, hand-drawn circles will never look as good as the computer-generated circles, but if we have the center and those 4 points, then we know what we mean.